Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this beautiful Delonghi Gran Dama Avant espresso machine, and let's go ahead and make a drink. Then we ran out of coffee. Well, the main issue that we fixed with this machine was the milk frother. And now I'm just going to make a espresso just to show that's working too. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.